What are the parts of a drum set? We will show you a part on the drum set and tell you what that part is called. This is the snare drum and snare stand. These are the hi-hat cymbals. This is called the hi-hat stand. This is called the bass drum pedal or kick pedal. This is called the high tom. This is the middle or mid tom. This is called the floor tom. This ride cymbal is sitting on a ride stand. This is called the bass drum or kick drum. These are called the tom holders or tom mounts. Looking to start a band? Check out our brand new video to your left. Now you can get that band started, just like you have always dreamed of. If you enjoyed this video, we invite you to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching.